Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today's case features a proper shutdown. The defendant tries his hardest to convince the court that his disorderly conduct charge was nothing but BS, but things didn't quite go his way. He got a master class on how to not argue with the judge, as his excuses were met with some of the rawest responses we've seen in court. This is a moment you don't want to miss.
Case number SB 1596211. Counts 1 and counts 2, appearing for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Strogan, PF defendant.
Mr. Grove, state your name for the record, please.
Robert Grove.
Mr. Grove, there's the date and time set for a pre-trial. Now review. You haven't paid that disorderly conduct that you have.
That disorderly conduct was a bunch of BS, and I already told everybody I'm not going to take care of that. It was something that I tried to take care of. I got tired of dealing with it.
Okay. So now you're gonna have to come in person, sir. Now you're gonna have to come in person. You telling me that it's a bunch of BS. If it was a bunch of BS back then, you should have never took the plea and entered into the agreement.
I did not take the plea. I did not take the plea. I pled not guilty on it. The attorney I had pled guilty on it, so that was totally out of my hands. I pled not guilty on that.
It wasn't. It doesn't work like that.
But that's besides the fact. This is over a traffic violation.
All right. Next court date. I want you back in. I want you in person on October 1st, pre-trial. Don't come in my courtroom with your with no sleeves on. Come in the courtroom dressed appropriate for court on October the 4th. All right.
Okay, but what about this traffic violation? That's
We're
what
going to deal with it all on October 4th, even the BS one at 8:30. All right.
So now I'm going to have to take a day off work.
You're going to have to take a day off work. You're telling me this is all BS.
No, I'm facing you today over a traffic violation. It has nothing to do with whatever you brought up in the first place.
You don't tell me. Listen. The thing you don't understand is you're not in charge here, okay?
I understand that, sir. But your officer called me over for running away like that was not good.
Wait a minute. When I'm talking, you don't talk, okay? That's how this works. So you don't tell me what is BS or not. You don't tell me what's supposed to be heard today or not. All of these cases are under my jurisdiction, including the one that you pled to back in 2018 and 19 on January the 4th. So you had some conditions outlined in that. You took the plea. Now you're saying you should have done something about that a long time ago.
Your Honor, I tried to take care of that a long time ago. A long time ago, I kept getting told to do this and do that. I did everything I was supposed to do. In the meantime, you said $500. Then I hear, oh, you got to talk to the judge. Okay, I already talked to the judge 4 times over the whole matter. I keep hearing the same thing over and over again. I already did my time. I did what I was supposed to do, and I'm still being treated like crap. I mean,
So wait a minute. Did you do the 30 hours of community service?
Yes, sir, I did.
Did you take the class?
Yes, sir, I did.
And did you take the testing?
Take the what?
Testing. HIV, STD testing.
Yes, sir, I did. That was all on the record.
Wait a minute.
I don't know what happened to it.
Wait, Mr. It would go a lot quicker if you let me do this. Let's get probation down here for Robert Grove. Now, do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yes, I do.
All right, I'm going to put you in a breakout. Who signed up?
Your Honor, my insurance is supposed to be faxed over to you. I do have the registration in my possession right now if you want to see it.
All right, put appearance on the record, please.
Collins? BF the defendant. Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Grove, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Soroki and show her the copies of your insurance and your registration. They have not made it to the file. Join the breakout room, and in the meantime, Ms. Soroki, I'm gonna talk to the probation officer about this other case.
And can I inquire, Your Honor, was that like a disorderly omitted from OTE?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Join the room, please.
Well, he tried it and failed in its spectacular fashion. His rants about his charge being BS didn't get him very far, and the judge made sure he got the message loud and clear. If you ever wonder what happens when a judge loses his patience, you have your answer. What do you think? Did the defendant get what was coming to him, or did the judge go too hard? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gripping courtroom moments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.